Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Huawei Band 10 and the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. On this video, we are going to compare the results of our sleep. So we monitored our sleep last night and we have the results. So we'll check it out and see if what is the difference between the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 and the Huawei Band 10 sleep monitoring data. So we'll check including the number of hours, the light sleep, deep sleep, and the rapid eye movement. And of course, we'll check it on the support app. We will check the graph. We will compare it also. Again, if you have any questions regarding these two fitness tracker smart band, drop a comment below. And if you have any questions regarding the sleep monitoring, drop a comment below. And if you find this video tutorial useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so before we check out the support app, let's check first the data here in the sleep monitoring feature for the Xiaomi Smart Band 10, comparing it with the Huawei Band 10. Let's see which wearable do have a detailed report on the fitness tracker. Let's check first the sleep monitoring here of the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. As you can see, we have 7 hours and 29 minutes. We have a graph. Our deep sleep here is 35%, light is 36%, and REM sleep is 29%. We have 7 hours and 36 minutes. Time to fall asleep, 7 minutes. We have a very good sleep efficiency with 98%, 55 beats per minute for the average heart rate, and 14 beats per minute for the breathing rate. Okay, so far we do have a very good data here. I like the efficiency here, 98%. We do have a very good sleep time, 7 hours and 29 minutes. We'll check out the details later in the support app, if what is the recommendation and of course the results. For our Huawei Band 10, we have the sleep monitoring also here. We have a sleep score of 82, 7 hours and 17 minutes. We have some data here. As you can see, it is in hours or time. It's not percent. The deep sleep is around 1 hour and 4 minutes. Light sleep 4 hours and 18 minutes. The REM sleep is 1 hour and 55 minutes. The total sleep time is 7 hours and 17 minutes with average heart rate of 53. Average HRV 44. And let's see. So average respiratory rate 14. And that's it. There's no more data. Seems like more data about sleep monitoring when it comes to, or there are more data available on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 when it comes to sleep monitoring, if you're going to check it here in the fitness tracker. Then let's compare. So we have here the sleep data. Okay, 29 minutes for our Xiaomi Smart Band 10, while 17 minutes only, so very far, more than 10 minutes difference. We have here the deep, light, and REM. We'll check on the support app so we can compare. But we do have a very close heart rate here. 55, we have 53. Okay. Then for the support app, let's check. So this is for our Huawei Band 10. We have 82 points, as you can see here. We have some analysis and sleep recommendations. That's why I like the Huawei Band 10 when it comes to sleep monitoring. We do have a lot of data. But anyway, let's check also our Xiaomi Smart Band 10. We have 88 score, 82 points only for our Huawei. 7 and 10. Again, go back. Let's check out the graph here for the deep sleep. So it is very different here. The REM sleep is 1 hour and 55 minutes. We have a different data here. So 2 hours. So very different. 2, 2, and 2. While our Huawei Band 10 recorded as 4 hours of light sleep instead of just 2 or 3 hours. So we have a different monitoring when it comes to the deep and REM sleep, especially for the light sleep, very far, more than 1 hour. So percentage, 15%. Light sleep is 59%, 36% only here for our Xiaomi Smart Band 10. So they have different data, but the number of hours is almost close. The average heart rate is almost the same. Okay, we're not able to check our blood oxygen here. So interpretation and suggestions, we also have it here. We also have here on our Huawei Band 10. Okay, so seems like there are more details here for our Huawei Band 10 compared to the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. I'm going to check again. Okay, we'll try to use other fitness tracker and see if we do have a different or the same sleep monitoring results. We'll try to use our Galaxy Fit 3. So we have a Fit 3 here. On our next try, we'll check out with the Galaxy Fit 3. So different results here. The number of hours almost, just see, I think 10 minutes difference, more than 10 minutes. But when it comes to the number of hours for different stages, we do have a very different results. So here it is divided into 2 hours, 3 hours for here for the light sleep, while for our Huawei Band 10 we have 4 hours and 18 minutes. I don't know why. Okay, which do you think is accurate? So that's it for our data for the sleep monitoring. I will check more on this as we go on, or as we test our Huawei Band 10 as well as the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. On our next video, we will have a 3 monitoring device. We'll include the Galaxy Fit 3. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below, and if you find this video useful or interesting, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.